Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. So you guys, a lot is happening on social media today that's a trending. Sello Makeka Ncube was receiving congratulatory messages just yesterday after he had received his honorary PhD from a university called a Trinity International Bible University, and it is the very same Bible or Christian university that gospel singer Dr. Winnie Mashaba also received her PhD at. You guys, now, following Solomake receiving his PhD, Sowetan newspaper and other online publications have then reported that the institution whereby he and gospel singer Dr. Winnie Mashaba obtained their PhD is actually a bogus university, you guys. The university is not registered at all. Now, on Saturday, after his fake honorary PhD ceremony, Silo took to his Twitter to thank God through this moving and inspiring post. And he wrote this on Twitter. He wrote, "Look at God, it's now Dr. Silo Mike Ncube. Someone please tell my co-pilot Pearl Mbewe Mike Ncube at Soul Pearl that she is no longer traveling this life journey with a national treasure only, but an honorable doctor." Now, you guys, according to the Sowetan newspaper, Minister of Higher Education Bladen Zimande says Trinity International Bible University, which conferred an honorary doctorate to them, is not registered and therefore has no authority to offer any qualifications. And of course, people on social media had a lot of mixed reactions to say, you guys. Now, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. Guys, I truly appreciate you watching my videos. I will definitely see you in the next one, and may God bless you all. Bye.